Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you the quickest and the easiest way to update and upgrade your older car sound system. Your car stereo is the first thing that gets outdated. So today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth capability and functionality to this Nissan Stock Radio. This is a basic radio with the AM, FM, and the CD, and the aux, but there's no Bluetooth. So we're going to add Bluetooth to this head unit without removing the head units or replacing with a new radio. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. From GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory system. All you got to do is connect my device into the car for power. That's it. That's all you have to do. Then set your radio, pair it to your radio to 87.9. As simple as that, and you'll be able to get Bluetooth music, and you'll also be able to talk hands-free, and you also will be able to enjoy GPS navigations from apps like Waze. You'll get real-time traffic information and update instead of using your old system or your old outdated navigational system. So this is the quickest and easiest way to update and upgrade your older car sound system without a new radio or do any sort of modification. So we'll get Gizmo Guy Gadget. Let me show you how it works. So we plug it in for power. All you got to do is, that's all you have to do. Then, so you would turn on the car and listen.
Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth. See? That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this radio. Let me do it again. So we turn off the car. When you get in the car, if the car radio is all set up, you turn on the car and listen.
Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. You don't have to do anything. You'll be able to play music. You'll be able to control it with the control unit. Or you can voice command it just as you would do with Siri or Google, whatever you do using voice control in AI. Additionally, you will be able to talk hands-free. So let's say if you're hearing music come through the speakers loud and clear without static. And if a phone call comes in, press this button to answer the call. Talk as you would normally. Okay, you'll be able to talk hands-free. You talk as you normally in the car, and once you're done with the conversation, your conversation will be loud and clear without hissing or static. Once you're done with the conversation, press this button again. The music comes right back. Additionally, you'll add another really cool feature, which is GPS navigations. So you will be able to fire up apps like Waze to get real-time instructions. You'll get real-time traffic instructions through your car speakers. So let's say once you add my device to your older car, all you got to do, you will be able to stream music from your smartphone, and you'll be able to talk hands-free, and you will also enjoy the GPS navigation where you can hear all the GPS instructions coming through your car speakers loud and clear as you enjoy your streaming music. So essentially, the Gizmo Guy Gadget will make any old car sound system as smart as your new smartphone, simply by connecting it to your car and you're ready. There's no setup, there's no modification, and you do not need to buy a new radio. So this is the quickest and the easiest way to add smartphone features to your older car stereo. Simply by connecting the Gizmo Guy device, you will be able to enjoy number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigations, all through your older car system without removing it or buying a new radio head. Just connect it to your phone and you can enjoy everything from your phone right through your system. You can turn your old car sound system into a smart system where you can voice command and you can enjoy all the features from your smartphone right through that system. It does not matter what year or how old the car is. Just plug it in and you'll set the radio to 87.9 and you'll be able to enjoy all your music right through your system. So this is the quickest and easiest way to update and upgrade your existing or old car sound system. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can update your system with my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Mary from Southern Florida, and I want to tell you about my experience. I purchased a Gizmo Guy Gadget to enable my 2004 Lexus to be Bluetooth compatible. This product was very easy to install. I'm not a technical person, but the directions were very simple. When I first got it, I wasn't able to match up any frequency in my area, so I contacted Wesley, who promptly responded to me and assisted me in finding the right frequency. He also kept in contact with me throughout to make sure that the product was working correctly and I was satisfied. I would highly recommend this product. It really delivers what it says it does. Not only that, but his customer service is excellent. Thank you, Wesley.